Good morning, dear students. Today we will see the numericals. In that we will see the question number 1. A needle placed at 45 centimeter from the lens forms an image on a screen placed 90 centimeter on the other side of the lens. Identify the type of the lens and determine its focal length. So here, a needle placed at 45 centimeter from the lens. A needle placed or an object that is placed at 45 centimeter from the lens. So suppose the object is kept in 45 centimeter. Suppose an object is kept 45 centimeter. So u is always negative. U is always negative. Does not matter which lens is this. So u is equal to minus 45 centimeter. An image on a screen placed 90 centimeter on the other side of the lens. That is the other side. So it will be the 90 centimeter. So an image on a screen placed 90 centimeter on the other side of the lens. So V should be positive. V should be positive. So V is equal to plus 90 centimeter. So a positive value V is equal to plus 90. It's on the RHS. So because the movement that lens says that the image is formed and on the other side of the lens. So concave lens can't do that. Concave lens forms the virtual image every time. So it must be forming on the same size of the object. So what is the focal length of a convex lens? Negative or positive? We already studied. For a convex lens, value of the focal length always be positive. So concave lens will not be there. Now we will proceed forward. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So here we have to put the value of v, that is 90. So in place of v we have to put the value of v, that is 90. So 1 by 90 minus, in place of u we have to put the value of u, that is minus 45. So 1 by 90 minus 1 by minus 45, and we have to solve them. So it will be the minus 135 divided by 90 into 45. So minus will be cancelled. So 135 is divided by 90 into 45. So we have to cut them. 45 ones are 45, 45 3s are 135, and 3 3s are 9 and 0. So 1 by 30 answer will be there. And if we will reciprocate, so it will be the 30. So focal length will be the plus 30. How would you identify that this focal length value is absolute correct? How we will see that? So you have a convex lens. Somewhere the set as object as 45 and the question also says that 45 centimeter, and question also says that the image is 90 centimeter. That means it's a very far. It's a very far. So which ray diagram is this? So when object is between f1 and 2f1, object is between f1 and 2f1, image will be formed beyond 2f2. Image will be formed beyond 2f2. And in that movement, image is going to be greater than object distance, because before that when v is equal to u, when object is kept on 2f1, image is also formed on 2f2, and before that when object is beyond 2f1, the object is beyond 2f1. Here beyond 2f1, every time image distance is lesser than u. Every time image distance is lesser than u. So the value of focal length should be lesser than u. So the value of focal length. So the value of focal length is lesser than u, because the object is kept in between f1 and 2f1. Because the object is kept between the f1 and 2f1. So f1 should be lesser than u. So hence when we get 30 centimeter and that's a lesser than 45, so answer is plus 30 centimeter, or it will be the convex lens. So that is the answer.